Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this half hitch pattern, which is called the Cobblestone Pattern. This is a great design that you can use in replacement of square knots. Let's get started. Start by attaching 2 cords to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Take the cord on the far right and tie it around the other 3 cords with a half hitch knot by sending it over to form a loop, then wrapping it around to go through that loop, and then pull it nice and tight. Now take the cord on the far left and this time wrap this cord around the 3 cords by sending it over and around and through the loop. Then pull it nice and tight. And make sure you push it all the way up top so it's below the first half hitch knot. Now we just repeat. So once again, I take the right cord over, around, and through, and I pull it tight and push it up top. Now I take the left cord over, around, and through. Pull it nice and tight. And that's all there is to this. So we just keep repeating these steps, alternating between the right and the left until we have made the desired length of our project. You always send the right cord around clockwise. And the left cord always gets sent around counterclockwise. As you form this pattern, you'll start to notice that cool cobblestone effect. You can end this pattern by just leaving your ropes hanging as is. They should be secure enough, or you can tie a square knot. To tie a square knot, I'm going to take the side on the right and cross it over the 2 cords in the middle. Then the side on the left goes over the right cord, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I pull that tight. Okay, and I'm just actually going to tie just a half square knot because as you can see here, it ends as if it looks like a full square knot. One last thing about this design is if you don't want any gaps between the little rows, you can just take your ropes and push them all up top, okay? And this is just going to allow less of that negative space, so a more closed cobblestone design. Either way looks great, so it is totally a personal preference. This is a very secure pattern, so this can be used as bag handles. You can use this in plant hanger designs, macrame wall hangings as layers, really anywhere you would like, okay? This is a great replacement for a long chain of square knots. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.